Hello, everyone, and welcome to 4J Media Live. I'm your host, Josh Warner, for April 8th, 2019. Today, we're going to be talking about how to get started with CSS3. So let's jump right into it. I'm going to go back to my video from yesterday, and actually my code from yesterday. And here's what I built yesterday when we were talking about HTML5 on the live webinar here. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to style this. But before I go into that, on here, I'm going to go to Firefox, and I'm going to type in Firefox Web Developer Tools. Okay, and we're going to go to Web Developer Tools, MDN, and we'll go to Reference and Guides, Introduction to CSS. So let's look at this first. And so, how CSS works. Let's look at how it works. Okay, what is CSS? Okay. So here's an example. Now, they have a link to a style sheet, okay? And this is the style that they're using. So they're calling the H1 tag, and they're giving a color blue, background color yellow, border is 1 pixel solid black. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to grab this code right here. I'm going to copy it. We're going over Sublime. And I just want to show you what it would look like if it was rendered in the browser. So let's go to Style. I'm going to create a style tag. Let's close this style tag. Return a few times. And I'm going to paste that in. Right-click, open in the browser. And you can see this is a heading 1 tag. Okay, now if we gave the paragraph red, it would look like this right here. Okay, so the idea of this exercise is I'm going to show you how to give these tags different properties. So we're going to go in here, and I'm just going to start typing, and I'll talk about it a little bit. And you don't have to follow along in terms of typing with me. Just watch what I'm doing so you get an understanding of how to work with CSS, okay? So with H2, what I'm going to do is we're going to do background color black, and we're going to do color white, border 10 pixels dotted red. Okay, let's right click, open the browser. Okay, and then I'm going to do H3, H4, H5, font weight bolder. There we go. I'm going to do font size 2M, so that should be 32 pixels. And we'll do color tomato. There we go. And let's do font weight bolder. Okay. There we go. I underline the text. For the anchor tag, text decoration none, font weight bold, color blue, let's do purple, and then we're going to do, that should be good enough. Okay, and then we'll do a rollover. So we're going to do anchor tag hover, and we're going to do text decoration underline font weight bolder, and we're going to do color black. Actually, you know what? Let's do tomato. There you go. So now you can see I gave it a whole bunch of properties, and with all these properties, we were able to convert this page into this. Now this is not this is not design, this is not nice looking in that regard, but it gives you an idea of what it takes to learn CSS. I want you to check out my website, 4jmedia.com. Check out my blog where I talk about CSS3. Also check me out at 4jmedia at YouTube and 4jmedia1 on Facebook. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.